Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material given in the mid drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. If 2 cos theta equal to root 3, then find all trigonometric ratio of angle P. So in the given problem, 2 cos theta equal to root 3 is given. That is, if 2 cos theta equal to root 3 means cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Bring the 2 in the denominator, root 3 by 2. What is cos theta? The formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is root 3, hypotenuse is root 2. Right? So from the given value we come to know the two sides of the triangle. One is adjacent side and hypotenuse. Based on that we can go for the triangle. We can design the triangle. Right? So this refer this triangle ABC. Right? This is the angle theta. You can keep the angle theta here also. But this is one model. Right? So we know that this opposite of side of this angle theta is nothing but the opposite side of angle theta. Automatically this is the adjacent side of angle theta. This is the hypotenuse. Opposite to the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. Opposite to the theta is opposite side. Other adjacent side of theta is adjacent side. Right? So in this it is clearly given that this adjacent side of angle B is root 3. This green color, root 3 is given. Similarly, hypotenuse equal to 2. This also 2. These two green color is already given in the problem. Based on the given value, we come to know that adjacent side and hypotenuse. But while calculating the basic trigonometric ratio, we need opposite side also. AB also we needed. So the AB can be calculated by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Right? This AC square refers the hypotenuse. These two sides square plus equal to hypotenuse square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. But what we need is AB square. So bring the BC square that side. So that AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. Take square root on both the sides. So AB equal to square root of AC square minus BC square. The AC value, this AC value is 2. So 2 square. BC value is root 3 square. So 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Right? So the opposite side is 1. This red color indicate we calculated from the Pythagoras by using the Pythagoras theorem. This 2 and root 3. Hypotenuse and adjacent side is given in the problem. Opposite side is calculated from the Pythagoras theorem. Right. So from that we will find the opposite side of the angle theta is AB. This is the opposite side AB. That is value is 1. Adjacent side of angle theta is nothing but BC. That value is root 3. Hypotenuse is AC. That value is 2. Right. Now we have the three values are available. Opposite side AB, that is equal to 1. Adjacent side is BC, that is equal to root 3. Hypotenuse is AC, that is equal to 2. Right? By using these values, we can easily calculate the trigonometric ratios. So sin theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. We know that opposite side by adjacent side. That is AB by AC. Opposite side is AB. Then hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. 1 divided by root 2. AB is 1. AC is 2. 1 divided by 2. Then cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC divided by hypotenuse AC. Right. So root 3 divided by 2. Right. So BC is root 3 and AC is 2. Root 3 by 2. Then tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. AB is 1, BC is root 3. AB is 1, BC is root 3. 1 divided by root 3. Right? Now we calculated these three are basic trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Now we'll go to the remaining three trigonometric ratios. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, mean cosecant theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. That is AC divided by AB, 2 divided by 1. Here 1 divided by 2, here 2 divided by 1, that is equal to 2. Right. Then we'll go to the secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. AC divided by BC. That is 2 divided by root 3. Here root 3 divided by 2. Here 2 divided by root 3. Cos theta and secant theta are reciprocal. Then finally we have cot theta. Right? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. BC divided by AB. Root 3 divided by 1, that is equal to root 3. Here 1 by root 3 for tan theta. Cot theta is root 3 by 1 equal to root 3. Right. So now we calculated all 6 trigonometric ratio. First 3 basic ratio, remaining 3 reciprocal ratio. In this problem, the value is given 2 cos theta equal to root 3. That is cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. From that we calculated, we come to know the adjacent side and hypotenuse. Then we draw the triangle by using these three value. The other value also calculated, that is opposite side of angle B, by using the Pythagoras theorem. After these three value, we calculated all 3 trigonometric ratios, basic ratios and reciprocal ratios. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.